Epic Flows.
Hey babe, what's up?
Nothing up, you know. Me there, just reach home from work.
Okay, boo. So what's for dinner?
Food, man.
What kind of food?
Just some leftover. Just some leftover food from last night. Some tin mackerel, and sweet potato and then something. You know, just look of food.
Okay, that sounds yummy.
Yeah, man.
So, talk to me. What's on your mind?
You know, say me a pre some more other one bedroom and a bathroom pan the house, you know. And that the on my mind.
Okay, nice. So, you're not thinking about me? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
I think the call got disconnected or something.
Yeah, I me disconnect it.
What you mean?
What you mean what me mean? Me say I me disconnect the call.
Why?
Because listen, me in my soft guy era right now, you know. I mean I go put up with certain nonsense no more, you know.
Soft guy error?
Yes, drizzle. Me don't put up with nonsense.
What nonsense are you talking about?
Me tell you say me I go eat tin mackerel for dinner. And you know after say you go cash up me some money, you go send local money to me so me can eat a nice local meat, have options to eat local meat that me choose. You go just allow me to eat tin mackerel so.
But you eat that every night. I thought that was your favorite.
But you're bright. Tin mackerel are my favorite food. You not come from planet Earth. How you take this thing for?
You don't like it?
It no matter if me like it or not. The fact is, me tell you say me I go eat it. And you know show no concern. You know show no value towards me. That is the problem.
But I do value you. Okay, and I'm sorry.
No, you're not sorry. You're not sorry. Me tell you say me I go do some work on the house. At a local bathroom and a local bedroom. And you know say, how much for couple blocks? You know say, how much for couple bag of cement? You know offer if do nothing. You want to be with me and you don't feel like you must take care of me? Drizzle, girl, listen. I know my value. You need to start spend some money. You're not a real woman. And that me I come to realize right now. It's clear to me you're not a real woman. I tell you the issues I am facing and you don't know and see it. That I need to be taken care of. You don't really have no feelings and you don't love me.
Why are you behaving like this?
Why me I behave like this? Drizzle, you want to be with me and you don't feel like you must take care of me? Me tell you two problems me I face, you don't have to send me local money, girl.
Epic.
You know I hear it. If you're broke, just say that. But we shouldn't have to explain common decent principle to you. Listen, right now you are disturb my peace. And me I go block you.
Drizzle. Did that just happen?
It's epic out here.
Shout out Production.
Radical and big.
Epic Flows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epic Flows when I step into my clothes.